In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your iCloud backups from your iPhone. So if you want to delete the iCloud backups on your phone to free up some space, then all you need to do is go over to the settings app on your phone and then click on your profile name in the top of this screen. Then from here, click on iCloud. And if you scroll down slightly, you'll see this iCloud backup. Click on this. And down at the bottom, you'll be able to see all of your device backups. So all you need to do is select the backup that you want to remove. And then we can press turn off and delete from iCloud, and then simply confirm by pressing turn off and delete. Now, once you've done this, the backup will be gone and there'll be no way to recover it. So once you're sure, just click on permanently delete, and that will remove the backup from your device. Now, a lot of people do have the question that if you remove this backup, will it remove the data on your iPhone? And the answer to this is no. All it will do is it will delete the backup, but it won't remove any of the data on your phone. So it's completely safe to delete this backup. All it means is that if you do lose your phone or you ever need to recover your data, then you're not going to be able to do that unless you turn the iCloud backup back on. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you delete your iCloud backup. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.